Good morning, my students. Today our lesson is sales tax and total cost. At first we have a new three terms. The first is sales tax is T and rate of sales tax denoted by R, and total cost is related or denoted by TC. The first is sales tax is the amount of tax added to the price of an item by state or local government. The second is rate of sales tax is the sales tax but given as a percent. The third term here is total cost, denoted by TC, means the sum of the market or list price and the tax. Then we have a new three terms here. Okay, the first is sales tax, T, rate of sales tax denoted by R, and total cost is denoted by TC. Then we have here in the slide we have three terms: total cost and market price and sales tax. In the slide we need to know the relation between these three terms. For example, if the sales tax is $20, and the market price here is $180, then try to think and try to get the total cost. Tell me here the total cost will be, yes, 200. Then I tell you before that the total cost is the sum of market price and sales tax. Then if it's 20 here and market price is 180, then the total cost is $200. Another example. If the total cost here is $360 and the market price here is $300, then try to think and try to calculate and get the amount of sales tax. Yes, I tell you before that the market price and the sales tax, both of them, the sum of them equal total. The total is the sum of both. Then in the difference will be the difference between total cost and the market price will give us sales tax. Then 360 minus 300 equals $60. Okay, we have another example. If we have the total cost is $1,000 and the sales tax is $100, then I need the market price. The market price will add or subtract between total cost and sales. Yes, subtract 1,000 minus 100 will be $900. Then again the total cost means the sum of both market price and sales tax. If we need the sales tax, we'll subtract total cost and market price. If we need market price, we'll subtract total cost and sales price. Then we'll back again to our new rules today. We have two new rules. The first is how to find the sales tax and how to get the total cost. Look at the first one. Sales tax, I tell you, equals rate of sales tax, and the rate should be maybe ratio maybe 50% as sales tax, 60% of sales tax, and so on. Then sales tax equal rate of sales tax multiplied by market price. Again, sales tax equals rate of sales tax multiplied by market price. Then T is referred to sales tax. Rate of sales tax is related donated by R multiply market price means MP. This is the first rule. Then the first rule is sales tax equals rate of sales tax multiplied by market price. The second rule here is total cost equals, we said before, is market price plus sales tax. Market price plus sales tax. Then TC is referred to total cost equals MB is referred to market price plus T is referred to sales tax. And these are two rules which we will use it to get the question and answer the question together. Okay. Now, firstly, open the book, page 429. Find the sales tax and total cost for each. Question number 1. $23.40 sneakers and 5% sales tax. Then the sales tax here is 5%. 5% is a ratio or the rate of sales tax, yes. And 23.40 is the price of the sneakers. Then we have two rules as before. T equals R multiply MP. Then I need to get firstly the sales tax, okay. Then T equals R is means 5% multiplied by MB market 23.40. Then the second point, we converted this 5% converted to decimal 4. 5% means 5 divided by 100. Then 5 divided by 100 equal 500. Then T equal 0.05 multiplied 23.40. Then T equals $1.17. Okay, this is the first point. And I need the second part here is calculate or find the total cost. Then total cost equal MP plus T. Then we get here T is here. Then total cost equals 23.40 is what is that? Remember with me, what is that? Yes, it's MP. Okay, then 23.40 plus the total, the tax here is $1.17. Then both of them the sum, then total cost equal $24.57. Look at the second question. Yes, $59.75 camera and 4% sales tax. I need to get or to find the sales tax and total cost. Sales tax and total cost. Firstly, we should get the first sales tax. Then sales tax equal R multiply MP. Then R is referred to the sales tax and MB is referred to the price here. Then T equals 4% multiply $59.75. Then, as we said before, 4% mean 4 divided by 100 mean 0.04. Yes. Then T equals 0.04 multiplied by 59.75 equals, $2.39. Let's go to the second part. TC means total cost equal market price plus tax. Then TC equal the price here, the market price here is 59.75 plus we get the tax, we get the sales tax before 2.39, yes, plus 2.39. Both of them equal $62.14. $62.14. Okay, and now there is another question here. Look at this table, and this table is formed from 3 items, and the name of the item and its price, and the rate of sales tax here is 6% for each. Okay, question number 6. Find the total cost of a calculator. Then we need the total cost, but before, if we need to get the total cost, we should calculate it firstly. Yes, what is that? It's sales tax firstly. Then sales tax T is equals R multiply MP. That was as was before. R is rate is 6% multiply. Market price here is, we're talking about the calculator. Yes, the calculator is the first item here. $88.25. Then 6% means 6 divided by 100 is 0.06. Yes, 0.06 multiplied by 88.25 equals, yes, $5.295. Then this is the first part. Look at the second part. We need the total cost. The total cost equal market price plus, yes, plus sales tax. Then market price here is 88.25 plus the sales tax here is 5.295. Then both of them equal 93.5.4. Okay, look at the second. Here we have another table. This table is formed also from 3 items. Okay, and the same, the rate of sales tax is 6%. Question number 5. Find the total cost of a CD player. Find the total cost of a CD player. Then we have 2 steps. The first step here. Yes, T is referred to, we said before, it's referred to sales tax equal. R means the rate, yes, multiplied MB is referred the market price. Okay, then we're talking about CD player. Where is CD player here? Yes, CD player is $62.75. $62.75. Then rate is 6%, multiply market price is 62.75. Then 6% means 6 divided by 100 means 0.06, as we said before. Then 0.06 multiplied by 62.75 by multiplied equals, yes, $3.765. But we need to put it in approximately around the two decimal places. Yes, then 5 will get the number just before it, 6 will be 7, then it's 3.66, 3.77. Going to the second part. Then the total cost equals the market price is here 62.75 plus, and the sales tax is $3.77. Then both of them equals, yes, $66.52. $66.52. Okay, we have the question number 11. Kurt buys a calculator and a CD player. How much does he spend altogether? He buys two things. Calculator for $88.25, and he bought also another a CD player. Where is, yes, it's $62.75, and the rate of the sales tax is 6%. Then firstly, we can try to think. Firstly, we need here to calculate sales tax for the first and sales tax 6% for the second. By the way, we can calculate it by adding both the market price for both, the market price for both, 88.25 is the calculator, and the price of the market price of CD player is $62.75. Both of them equal $151. Then the market price for both equals $151. And then looking to the second point is calculated the tax for both. The sales tax for both, not only one part, no, not only one item below, but for both item. Then T is referred to, yes, this is the second rule. Then 6% multiplied by $151. Why you said $150 for $151? Because $151 is referred to both the market price for both item. Then 6% means 6 divided by 1 equals 0.06 multiplied by 151 equals $9.06. And then going to the second point here, we need to calculate the, yes, what is that we said before? Total cost, yes, equals 151 is the market price here, 151 plus T is referred to the, yes, referred to the sales tax, 9.06. Then both of them equals $160.06. $160.06. And don't forget to answer the homework page 165 is the workbook. And